Settlements for on-the-job injuries in Washington State are handled by L&I, the Department of Labor and Industries. L&I thinks that it's their job to pay little or no settlement money.
Serious injuries are eligible for a money settlement at claim closure. These settlements are called permanent partial disability, also known as PPD. The dollar amount of the settlement is different for different injuries. It is medical opinion that decides the dollar amount of your settlement.
L&I buys their medical opinions. They do this with an IME, which is a bought and paid for medical opinion regarding how much physical and mental impairment remains from the accident. These medical opinions are so biased that the average guy doesn't have a chance of getting a fair settlement. Settlements are figured at the time the claim is closed, so settlements don't happen until after medical treatment is complete and your ability to work is determined. L&I settlement amounts are figured according to ratings done by independent medical examiners and in accordance with a preset schedule. Settlements are paid in monthly installments. L&I tries to keep PPD payment amounts small. Here is an example of how L&I handles PPD settlements. L&I gets tired of paying an injured worker, and they send him to their IME doctors. Those doctors say he can work, his medical treatment should be over, and his disability is 5%. L&I pays that 5% and closes the claim.
Here is an example of what you can do to improve the settlement amount. First, you or your lawyer protest the closure. Then you get your doctor to disagree with the IME. Your doctor then sends you to a specialist who also disagrees with the IME, and this specialist rates your disability at a higher level. If your doctor then agrees with the specialist, you become eligible to get paid much more because you did what needed to be done.
The key to improving settlement amounts is a good doctor who will say the right thing at the right time and put it in the medical records. That is easier said than done. Many doctors don't like L&I paperwork and don't want to get involved. Even if they do want to help, they either don't know how or they give up too easily. It gets worse. L&I hires crooked doctors who close their eyes to the facts and write reports saying little or nothing is wrong. These IME examiners will ruin your claim if you let them.
Don't let these IME examiners push you around and ruin your settlement. You can do something about them. Get your doctor to help and talk to a workers' compensation lawyer if you think you need advice or guidance.
If you have been injured on the job and would like further information about personal partial disability settlements, contact sharplawfirm.org. We know what we're talking about. We want to hear what's happening with you. This video is brief and simple. The PPD rules are long and complex. Get help if your L&I claim is not going the way you think it should.